Handstand, wall facing, split balance. The wall facing, split balance handstand drill is one of the first handstand balance exercises I like to use once a client can hold a wall facing handstand for 60 seconds. Being able to balance a split handstand is a key component of learning the kick up to handstand as we pass through this split position. A split balance is slightly easier to hold than a straight handstand as the margin for error is greater. Start by performing a wall walk and placing the hands roughly 20 centimeters away from the wall. Make sure the head is pushed between the arms so the shoulder angle is open and the ears are covered by the shoulders from a side view. The eyes should be looking down at the floor on an imaginary line between the palms of the hands. Set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting the glutes and tucking an imaginary tail between your legs. Next, focus on elevating the shoulders and pushing down into the floor nice and hard. The elbows must be locked and the shoulders must be elevated. Keeping both legs straight, slowly lift one foot off the wall and stack the hip, knee and ankle above the vertical line of the wrists, elbows and shoulders. Do not allow the shoulders to lean forward. Keep the shoulder angle open. Then focus on pulling your belly button into your spine to set a nice hollow body shape. The foot on the wall should float off the wall. Do not push off the wall with the foot. Use the weight of the top leg to counterbalance the weight of the leg on the wall. It's a game of balance, not a game of force. When the foot floats off the wall, continue to elevate the shoulders and use the fingers to control the balance. If the weight moves away from the wall, use the fingers to push it back. If the weight moves back towards the wall, pull your belly button into your spine to flex the spine and move the weight back to the balance point. Hold the balance for the prescribed time and then switch legs and repeat on the opposite side.